Imagine a change this tiny instruction manual is probably working away inside your cells, but here's the twist. These instructions aren't set in stone. Thanks to epigenetic modifications, molecular switches, you can turn genes on or off without changing the underlying DNA sequence. These epigenetic changes influence how genes are expressed, which in turn shapes your cell functions. Whether it's how your neurons communicate, how your immune system responds, or how you age, epigenetics is the maestro behind the scenes. Things like DNA methylation or histone modification act as the conductors, modulating gene activity based on your environment and life experience. Speaking of environment, stress is a big player. Chronic stress can trigger epigenetic changes that ramp up inflammation and alter neurotransmission, the messaging system of your brain, potentially leading to neuroplasticity, which is your brain's remarkable ability to rewire itself. Neuroplasticity means your brain isn't fixed, it adapts, learns, and heals even into adulthood. Let's connect this to the fascinating world of neuroscience and psychosocial medicine. Our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors can influence these epigenetic mechanisms. For example, psychological interventions like cognitive behavioral therapy or mindfulness-based therapies don't just change your mindset, they can induce epigenetic signatures. That's right, your psychotherapy sessions might leave molecular marks on your epigenome, influencing gene expression related to stress response, inflammation, and even aging. This opens up exciting possibilities for epigenetic intervention using targeted therapies to modify these epigenetic markers and potentially prevent or treat psychosomatic disorders like panic disorder, borderline personality disorder, or acrophobia. Imagine a future where mind-body therapies can modulate chromatin, the complex of DNA and proteins, leading to healthier gene expression patterns. Remarkably, some epigenetic changes can even be passed down through generations, offering the possibility of transgenerational disease prevention. Your life experiences, especially stress conditions, can influence your epigenome and potentially affect your children's health. That's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our biology and psychology truly are. Scientists use tools like the polymerase chain reaction method or power sequencing to explore these epigenetic mechanisms and analyze patterns like DNA methylations on cytosine bases or histone modifications. They study how these changes impact neurobiological mechanisms such as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports neuroplasticity, or inflammation markers like tumor necrosis factor alpha. In the realm of psychosocial interventions, mind-body therapies, and mindfulness techniques have shown promise in regulating these epigenetic marks. For instance, modulation of glucocorticoid receptors or nuclear receptor genes can influence your stress response and immune regulation, promoting better health and resilience. So whether it's managing impulsiveness in borderline personality disorder with dialectic behavior therapy, addressing the symptomology of panic disorder, or acrophobia, or simply navigating daily stress, understanding epigenetics offers a new perspective. It's like realizing that your mind and body are engaged in an ongoing molecular dance, a dance that you can influence through psychological and behavioral strategies. So remember, your genes are not your destiny, they're a story written in pencil, ready to be rewritten with every thought, action, and healing.